everyone, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers. I wanted to chat with you a little bit about a really cool car. 1936 Delahaye 135M, Fagoni and Falaschi bodied. So you have one of the most iconic cars of the period, and certainly one of the most desirable coach builders to ever put a body on a car. Special car, this one in several ways. One is, it's originally one of the only 6 court competition cars that were built for Delahaye. Started life as a coupe, was modified to this Cabriolet configuration way back in 1948. We've done a lot of research on the car, had a lot of other experts consult and give us some info on the car. And the bottom line, this is a great car. History is known from new. Jean-Luc Bonnefoy, noted Delahaye restorer, did restore this car back in the day. Jean-Paul Tissot, Club Delahaye, everything's been authenticated on this car. And it's a phenomenal opportunity to get a seldom seen and really a sought after car. World-class car, you could take it anywhere. It gets you in all over the world. It's just one of those great cars. Where can you get it? Well, glad you asked. Auburn, Indiana on April 29th, right here, our enthusiast auction. Come spend some time with us. Come and check out this car, other cars. We've got the enthusiast tour. So the whole week is going to be a blast. But again, really a special car, worthy of anybody's consideration. Hope to see you in Auburn, April 29th.